Today, we are going to be learning about cellular respiration. Respiration is the process by which trees, dogs, people, and all living things break down food for energy. But wait, plants don't eat food the way that we and other animals do, so how do they get energy? Well, plants get their energy through a process called photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, plants collect water from the ground through their roots and carbon dioxide through tiny holes on their leaves called stomata. These two things are the ingredients, or reactants, for photosynthesis. Sunlight energy is used to power the chemical reaction. Sunlight energy is collected using chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a pigment found in the plant cell's chloroplasts. This pigment is also what gives plant leaves their green color. Through this chemical reaction with sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water, the plant produces glucose, or C6H12O6, and oxygen. They release the oxygen to the air for us and for other animals to breathe. This is one reason why plants are so important to us. But what happens to the glucose that is produced? Does the plant release this as well? Actually, the plant stores the glucose so that it can break it down for energy in our next process, called cellular respiration. Respiration is a process that breaks down food molecules to create energy. All cells go through the process of respiration. Respiration has two main ingredients, or reactants, and these ingredients are glucose and oxygen. Remember, plant cells make their glucose through photosynthesis, but we can't produce energy from the sun, so we have to eat our food. Respiration occurs in two stages. First, large glucose molecules are broken down into smaller pieces in the cytoplasm. During this part of the process, no oxygen is needed and only a small amount of energy is produced. The second stage happens in the mitochondria. Here, the glucose molecules are broken down into even smaller pieces. This part of the process uses oxygen and produces most of the energy. This is why the mitochondria is called the powerhouse of the cell. Photosynthesis and respiration are both very important processes, and they are connected in a cycle. Remember, the ingredients for photosynthesis are carbon dioxide and water, and photosynthesis produces glucose and oxygen. Now, the ingredients for respiration are glucose and oxygen, and this process produces carbon dioxide and water. The processes are opposites. The products of photosynthesis are the ingredients for respiration, and the products of respiration are the ingredients of photosynthesis.
Created using Powtoon.